Hello everyone, this is Ronen Itzkovich from skillsofthetrade.com. I'm here with the weekly market analysis for the week of September 16, 2019, as well as some stock picks for you guys who are doing some swing trading. So here I have the SPX chart open, this S&P 500 index on the daily chart. We can see that we are continuing on an uptrend. We've broken through this resistance line in the past, and this past week we have touched down or touched up on previous resistance, as you can see. And so what I'm expecting this week is for the price to slowly come down and test for support and do a pullback or a correction to this rally. If we put or stretch a Fibonacci retracement tool from the beginning to the top of the rally, you can see that the correction is ideally will be at 38.2% Fibonacci. So what I'd like to see is the price coming down slowly and touching down for the second time. This is the first time and the second time, coming down and touching down for support or testing for support again at this price level around 29.50 before the prices will continue back up. So once we have that, we can continue with an upward movement. Now, the stock picks that I have for you this week, first of all, I'd like to go back and show you what I've talked about last week, which was Snap, SNAP. And what we have seen this week is that if we go to the weekly chart, we have a nice upward trend. And as you can see from here, and if we take support and resistance line and stretch it on over here, we can see that we have a nice pullback from here all the way to the top, and the price right now, if you go to the daily chart, is around 38.2% Fibonacci, and the MACD is rising as well. The price is coming down. So we did go down this last week and touch the 38.2. Before I go in, I would like to see another touchdown on the 38.2% Fibonacci and some kind of a reversal candlestick on that line. If we are going to see it this week, then we can place our stop loss above the reversal candlestick, and sorry, the stop loss below this low and the entry above the reversal candlestick. If does that not happen, we can still have another opportunity to get in is if the price continues to go down to the 50% Fibonacci, which is also our support line. And if it does go down below this low, then it most likely will continue down to the 50% Fibonacci, will bounce twice and then a second time, and hopefully we will see a reversal candlestick to allow us to go long on this trade. So let's wait and continue this week to see what happens. And another stock pick that I've talked about last week was NGD, and we're still moving sideways on the 200 moving average line. So I'm still waiting for a false break on the 50% Fibonacci line. I would still like to see on the daily chart that the price comes down, create some kind of a false break, and a reversal candlestick will be ideal. And if we see that, we can place our entry above that candlestick and our stop loss below. Or if it does come down, I would like to see a gap up. That's also a possible entry. The price gaps up from this touchdown when it comes down again, and when we enter, we can place our first take profit at around $1.50, and the second take profit will be at around $1.80. Now let's go into a new stock pick that I have is SWN, and as you can see from the weekly chart or the daily chart, we have slowed down the downward momentum and have broken through upward on this resistance area, and we have a rally for the last several days or last week. If you go to the hourly chart, we can stretch a Fibonacci retracement tool to the way from the bottom to the top, and as you can see, we have a nice strong bullish momentum with a lower downward momentum, and we have a first touchdown. And what I'd like to see is the second touchdown on the 50% Fibonacci or even our support line over here, checking for support, and a reversal candlestick on the second touchdown will be ideal at the hourly chart before entering, or even a gap up after the second touchdown will be an ideal entry with our stop loss below. First take profit will be at around 250, and the second take profit will be at around 275. Lastly, I have TACT, TACT Technologies. If we look at the weekly chart, the price is moving sideways on a long trading range this way, and the price has broken through upward on this trading range, the smaller trading range that we have in here. Price has broken through upward, and we are coming down. We came down for support once, and I would like to see the price coming down for support a second time before entering. Here it is on the daily chart, stretching a Fibonacci retracement from bottom to top. You can see that the price comes down right now is at 38.2% Fibonacci. I would like to see it coming down even further again to around 50% or even our support line, touching that line and then creating a reversal candlestick. We'll place our entry above the reversal candlestick, the stop loss below, and the first take profit will be around to 1350, and the second take profit will be around 1525 or even 1520. Okay, so I hope you guys gain some value from this. If you have, please write a comment and like this video. Also, if you would like to know and understand my trading strategy, I've written a book called Stock Trading 101. You can find it in Amazon in the description. I have a link in the description for you. In this book, I have created it for the newbie beginner trader, and I explain pretty much everything I know about stock trading and chart analysis, technical analysis, how to read charts, how to be able to understand what you're seeing, my stock trading strategies, risk management, and much more. Check it out on Amazon. I hope you have a great trading week, and we will see you soon.